Hi, this is Brian with CEO Mastery, where we help CEOs and their teams double their success simply and methodically. I want to talk with you today about seeing around corners, about anticipating what's over the horizon. That's our job, after all, as leaders. Colin Powell, in his book, The Leadership Secrets of Colin Powell, recommends that in picking people, we look for intelligence and judgment, and most critically, a capacity to anticipate, to see around corners. Interestingly and coincidentally, we had that conversation yesterday with a group of CEOs related more to what's going on with the economy, seeing around corners and making decisions that rely on our judgment of the distant future. Consider this, it's late November 21. COVID is at the tail end, we hope. People are coming out, there's a lot of money in their pockets, demand is growing, and yet China is slowing down. Shipping is totally constrained, so there are supply chain issues. And of course, labor is tight. Everybody's talking about how they can't hire anybody, or if they are, it's at 50% more than they were paying. So supply is down, and yet, economies aren't necessarily growing. There's inflation, they're stagnating. Is this stagflation? Who knows? But the point is, as a leader, we need to be able to be looking at this, looking way out into the future, or at least 6 or 12 months, and asking ourselves, what decisions should we be making? What can we do to ensure our survival, and also to get a winning edge, to take advantage of what's happening? And so that's basically the message, is look out ahead, way out ahead, around corners, over the horizon. That's our job. It's uncomfortable. And then we have to make bets. We have to make decisions. And those decisions are important to our companies. That's what we signed up for as CEOs and leaders. And that's what we need to be doing. So enjoy. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, forward it to a friend, and subscribe, so when I come up with my next video, typically every week, you'll be alerted. Spread the word. Thank you.